We are making a video with my dad, cone like taco.
We're making something different tonight for the restaurant. We are actually gonna go out and, what would you call this thing? Like a
hand burrito.
A hand burrito, a taquito? No, there is taquitos, right? I don't know. Anyway, it's basically a tortilla waffle cone, and we're gonna make them on our own. We're gonna deep fry them, and then we're going to put in there some lettuce, some meat, some cheese, some pico, some sauce, sour cream, guacamole, holy cannoli. It's going down. What we did is we went through and we took one of our, well, actually a few of our pizza pans.
And we made them.
Yes, so this is a 12-inch pizza pan from the pizza place that I used to have about probably, I don't know, 10 years ago or so. But we took the 10-inch pans and we rolled them up. I used a beer bottle, Mike used like a water bottle type deal. And we rolled them into little things like this. And so it's like a waffle cone kinda. We made it into a waffle cone shape and then we rolled them up. Now, notice Mike is not wearing gloves, and before anybody comes out and they're like, oh God, you guys are unsanitary, we're eating these tonight. So,
At home.
At home, yes. So, after you roll the tortilla over it, Mike already screwed it up, but it's fine. Whatever,
Yeah,
it's fine.
this one looks good.
It'll look like this, and then we're gonna deep fry it. We're gonna show you that also, and I'm gonna deep fry it in the food truck. Then we're gonna try it out and see how they taste. We'll put them together, and see how everybody likes them. There's what, 6, 7, 8, 10 people here? Something like that. Ethan's over here, Stacy, Carrie, Natalie, and Alexis. Alexis will be the real test because she doesn't like any, well, she likes everything. Ethan doesn't like anything, so we'll see how it goes. But all right, well, there you go. Let's go. It's hot now. We're gonna put these in the fryer. Hopefully they'll be cone shaped. We've never done this, so we're gonna figure it out. So we'll put these in to the bottom of the thing, hold them down with the fryer basket, and then we'll make it happen. Two minutes later. Ready? It's kind of like not really focused. Several moments later. What we're gonna try and do, because they keep sticking to the pizza one more time. They keep sticking to the pizza frame of the thing here. So Mike's idea is to wrap aluminum foil on the outside. Show them what you're doing, Mike.
Inside.
What do you think, Mike?
It's gonna work.
All right.
He's using his hand in the oil.
Oh my God, he's using his hand in the oil.
I'm ready. Ready?
If we leave them in for a minute and a half, they're not done, but at 2.5, they're overdone, they're brown. So we're gonna leave them in for 2 minutes, see what they are, and then if they're not done enough, we'll put them in some more. If they're overdone, we'll cut it down.
You're done with that?
You're gonna say, Dad, I wanna do a video.
Yeah.
ETG. What does ETG stand for?
Ethan the God.
Ethan the God! 2 minutes later.
We went like way over.
Yeah.
What was the time?
2 minutes and 40 seconds. When I finally looked over.
Got it. Here, I got it.
Do you?
We're gonna pull it from the bottom. Now we're here. Oh,
Ooh, she's coming.
ooh, she's there. All right. Oh, so we're talking about a minute and a half here. So in a minute and a half, this baby here is perfect. So a minute and 30 seconds. We got. Yes, sir. Several moments later. We got a couple bubbles in there. It's not a big deal, but the inside of it is going to be pretty legit. Come on, guy.
Wait for the party. Look at that little bitch.
You're supposed to fight.
Let me know in the comments what you think about the video. I'd like to hear from you guys, and make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Ring-a-ding-ding.